Have you noticed your lips suddenly feeling irritated again, even though you haven't really changed anything? The same balm, the same routine, the same products, but suddenly they feel drier, more sensitive, more reactive, and nothing feels consistently comforting anymore. Sometimes the issue isn't your routine. Sometimes your lips are responding to an entirely different environment. I'm Janice Story, nurse and founder of AJ's EO Infusions. Seasonal changes quietly affect the lip barrier more than most people realize, and because lips don't have the same protective structure as the rest of the skin, they often react first. So, if your lips suddenly feel worse right now, it doesn't necessarily mean your products failed, your environment changed. And today I want to help you understand what may actually be happening underneath that cycle of reapplying, overcorrecting, and trying to constantly fix them. One of the biggest reasons lips suddenly feel irritated during seasonal changes is because the environment quietly changes how quickly moisture escapes from the skin. This is called transepidermal water loss. And transitions between seasons can increase that stress without us fully noticing it. Things like air conditioning, heat, sun exposure, wind, allergens, temperature swings, travel, indoor dryness, and dehydration patterns can all create subtle barrier disruption. The difficult part is that it often feels random because your routine stayed the same, but your environment didn't. When lips suddenly feel irritated, most people instinctively try to compensate. More balm, more layers, more checking, more reapplying. But overstimulation can sometimes create even more confusion for sensitive lips, especially when the barrier is already stressed. And emotionally, this can become exhausting very quickly because it creates a loop of notice dryness, apply product, temporary relief, irritation returns, repeat. At some point, it starts feeling like nothing works anymore. Not because your lips are broken, but because your lips may be asking for a different kind of support. This is the part people rarely talk about. When the nervous system feels overloaded, repetitive, soothing behaviors often increase automatically: lip checking, lip licking, picking, reapplying, searching for relief. And during stressful seasonal transitions, those behaviors can quietly intensify. Not because you're doing something wrong, but because the body is just trying to regulate discomfort. Sometimes the goal isn't perfect lips. Sometimes the goal is reducing overwhelm around them. Instead of constantly trying to fix your lips, try observing them differently. Ask yourself, what changed in my environment recently? Am I indoors more, using stronger AC, spending more time in the sun, feeling more overstimulated lately, reapplying more often than usual? That shift alone, honestly, changes the relationship from reactive to responsive. And often, the calmest routines are the simplest ones. Less friction, less layering, less urgency, more consistency, more observation, more gentleness. Your lips may not need more products right now. They may need more recovery, less overstimulation, and support that matches the season you're actually in. That's the difference between constantly fixing and building a responsive ritual. If you've been stuck in the cycle of dryness, reapplying, confusion, and just trying to figure out why nothing feels consistent anymore, the lip ritual quiz can help you better understand what kind of support your lips may actually be asking for right now. You can take it below. And if this helped you feel a little calmer about what's happening, subscribe for weekly wellness rituals designed for sensitive lips and overwhelmed routines.